They are watching television now.
They are watching television now.
We are learning new words.
We are learning new words.
She is cooking dinner now.
She is cooking dinner now.
He is fixing his bicycle.
He is fixing his bicycle.
I am drawing a picture.
I am drawing a picture.
They are playing in park.
They are playing in park.
We are cleaning the house.
We are cleaning the house.
She is folding clean clothes.
She is folding clean clothes.
He is carrying a heavy bag.
He is carrying a heavy bag.
I am drinking a glass of milk.
I am drinking a glass of milk.
They are eating lunch together.
They are eating lunch together.
We are talking with friends.
We are talking with friends.
She is helping her mother.
She is helping her mother.
He is calling his brother.
He is calling his brother.
I am waiting for you.
I am waiting for you.
They are walking in rain.
They are walking in rain.
We are listening to music.
We are listening to music.
She is writing a letter.
She is writing a letter.
He is reading newspaper now.
He is reading newspaper now.
I am sitting on sofa.
I am sitting on sofa.
They are running in field.
They are running in field.
We are playing board game.
We are playing board game.
She is opening her bag.
She is opening her bag.
He is closing his book.
He is closing his book.
I am taking some rest.
I am taking some rest.
They are laughing together.
They are laughing together.
We are studying for exams.
We are studying for exams.
She is cleaning the table.
She is cleaning the table.
He is watering the plants.
He is watering the plants.
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
They are standing in line.
They are standing in line.